Now moving on to the national capital, where the All India Muslim Personal Law Board rallies against the Waqf bill, claiming it discriminates against Muslims and threatens Waqf property, even as the Modi government insists the bill promotes development and transparency. Now, Jagdambika Pal, BJP MP and the chairman of the JPC, criticizes the All India Muslim Law Board for its planned protest against the bill, claiming it could create division and challenge Parliament's authority to legislate. Now, Jagdambika Pal said that as far as the All India Muslim Law Board is concerned, they have already presented their concerns before the committee, and those points were also taken into consideration in the report. All right, I'm now joined by CNN News 18's Anshul Singh on the broadcast. Anshul, when is the All India Muslim Law Board protest all set to take place? And apart from the All India Muslim Law Board, who all are the political parties who are going to be taking part in this protest?
Well, this protest is going to take place at approximately 10 a.m. this morning, which is in the next few minutes from here. And as we are speaking, people have started to collect at the iconic Jantar Mantar. Apart from the AIM PLB, it is expected that leaders of the opposition party would also be coming in and joining in into this protest. Now, remember, this entire protest has been in the center of controversy because once these protests were announced, one of the office bearers of AIM PLB had said that they will recreate Shaheen Bagh in the national capital yet again. And since then, this entire protest was being seen with a lens of probably trying to create some sort of a disturbance out here in the national capital. So yes, it remains to be seen if at all these protests will absolutely be peaceful, and the protesters will leave after a designated amount of time that has been given to them, that is till 5 p.m. This evening, will leave from the spot at Jantar Mantar. Apart from this, Hindu right-wing organizations have gone ahead and opposed this entire protest. Swami Yatyanand from Dausa out here in Ghaziabad has said that he will also be reaching Jantar Mantar along with his protest, along with his supporters, to actually go ahead and protest against these agitations that have been called by the AIMPLP. So definitely a stormy next few hours are expected out here in the national capital. It remains to be seen if at all peace will continue to be maintained out here in Delhi.
All right. I request you, Anshul, to please stay with us as we are getting a series of reaction on this, starting with the JPC chairperson, Jagdambika Pal.
ऐसा अमेंडमेंट के बाद जो एक बेहतर कानून बन करके आएगा और जो ट्रांसपेरेंट ढंग से उसको वाकिफ का जो मंशा होती थी वक्फ करने का, और उस वक्फ का फ़ायदा गरीब, पसमानदा महिलाओं को, ख़वातीन को, विधवाओं को, बच्चों को उनके एजुकेशन के लिए, हेल्थ के लिए मिलेगा। अब अगर वो देश के इस वक्फ के खिलाफ वो कर रहे हैं तो कहीं न कहीं देश में वो लोगों के बीच में एक नफरत पैदा करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं और पार्लियामेंट की उस कानून बनाने की अधिकार को, लोकतांत्रिक मूल्यों को चुनौती देने की बात कर रहे हैं। और देश के सामने इस बात को ला करके आए कि उनको कौन से इस अमेंडमेंट पे अब उनको कोई एतराज है। निश्चित तौर से ये कदम उनका लोकतांत्रिक नहीं है।
आज वक्फ के नाम पर कहा जा रहा है कि हम लोगों की जमीनें छिन जाएगी, मस्जिदें छिन जाएगी। ऐसा कुछ नहीं होने वाला है। वक्फ के पास हालांकि असीमित ताकतें हैं, वो अनड्यू क्लेम्स कर देता है। ऐसी क्लेम्स करता है तब ये जो सो कॉल्ड सेकुलर मंडली है वो एक शब्द नहीं बोलती, कभी नहीं बोलती कि संवैधानिक अधिकार सभी के पास होना चाहिए। जैन के पास भी ऐसा अधिकार हो, हिंदुओं के पास भी हो, सिखों के पास भी हो। वो समानता नहीं चाहती। और जब इसमें सुधार और संशोधन करने की बात मुस्लिम समाज से निकलती है और वो किया जाता है तो वो भड़काने की कोशिश करती है। AIMPLB वही वोट बैंक की दुकान चला रही है जो कांग्रेस और जो MIM जैसी पार्टियां हैं वो उसे चलाने के लिए उकसाती है और उसका फायदा उठाती है।
All right, taking this across to my colleague Anshul. Anshul, quickly, if you could tell us that how the BJP right now is saying that the All India Muslim Law Board were given all the rights to, tell their demands as far as the JPC was concerned. They have, in fact, pointed it out as well, and it is in the report. So why this protest is the question that is coming in from the BJP?
Well, the AIM-PLB, much like the opposition parties, continue to maintain that this entire JPC that was made was just a farce, and the In fact, the suggestions the inputs that were given from the side of the opposition parties and also from the side of the AIM-PLP were not taken into consideration, and that is the reason why they claim that this entire formation of GPC and then eventually trying to bring this bill into the parliament is definitely something that is unconstitutional. So yes, the Waqf, in fact, the AIM-PLP will try to amp up more pressure on the government, on the Bharatiya Janata Party. It remains to be seen if at all after these agitations will there be any change of stance, or how the future of this entire Waqf bill will be perceived by the common people of the country.
All right. Many thanks, Anshul, for bringing us all those details. And with that, it's a wrap on this bulletin. More news and update on the other side. Stay tuned to CNN News 18.